Hello everyone, my name is Joanne and I'll be taking you through the FoldForge app. Today we're talking about outlets. So this is the outlets. Depending on your package that you pay for, I think the first two packages have access to only one outlet each, and the others have three, six, and the like. So depending on which package you pay for, you have access to one or more outlets. An outlet is basically just your branch. Um, let's say you are based in Ikorodu, Lagos, and then you have another branch in Lekki, and then you have another branch in Ogbomoso in Osun State, and then you have another one in Abeokuta. So these are branches, and with this system, it gives you access that it lets you know that for all those branches, they can have their own systems under under one umbrella. So they'll all be under your name, but you have your different outlets, your different branches. So what is happening in Ikorodu, you can see from the comfort of wherever you are. You just need to select which outlet you're looking at. So you can see what's happening in Ikorodu, you can see what's happening in Lekki, you can see what's happening in Ogbomoso, you can see what's happening in Abeokuta. So that is what the outlet does. So as you can see from my own end, because I'm based in Abuja, I have four branches or four outlets. So let's look at the Wuse branch. And so there was a part where in the previous video I talked about having a manager. So each of these branches, of course, have their own manager. So it's a manager that will be imputing all the daily information or daily orders or every daily transaction or daily inputs. The manager is the one that you give access to be doing all that, because you cannot be doing everything wherever you are. Even if they're all in one state, you cannot be running everything on your own. You have to have people you delegate all these tasks to. So they will be filling that information and then you get to now cross check from your own end. So as you can see, this is the Wuse branch, information about the Wuse branch. You can see the manager, like I said, the manager, manager's name, manager's phone number. You can update this. The hours, how many hours are they operating, what days are they operating, the capacity, how many orders do they have, daily, what is their maximum number of orders that they can handle per day, the number of washing machines that they have, payments, what is their main payment method, is it cash, is it transfer, is it card, is it mobile, and if it's all, everything should be ticked. Delivery, self-delivery or delivery service. Do they deliver by themselves? Do they pick up by themselves or do customers pick up from them? This should all be included here. Their delivery fee, the delivery windows you can add to this, probably they deliver in the morning, the afternoon, the evening. It should all be included here. And then the delivery radius, because sometimes you might not be able to deliver everywhere, or you can have that okay, like this. Now this is the base delivery fee, that from this point or from this amount is how much we deliver for. And delivery radius card, for example, in Abuja, you can say you only deliver in town, you might not be delivering in the outskirt. Probably if like this is in Wuse now, so you deliver to Wuse